Hi you guys, I'm still in the garden. I am winterizing. I'm cleaning out my greenhouse and I am washing all my planters, and I've filled up my sprinklers, watering cans, and I'm about to do one more thing, and I thought, oh boy, I bet Henry, Cora, and Bonnie might like to see this if I can figure out how to put it up on YouTube. Okay, here we go, turning it around. So you can see, here are all the things I've washed. And here are the, you guys remember this from the summer? Ugh. Okay, so those are all clean. I mean, they're all full. Oh. What? Oh. They're the carrots I picked. Remember the earlier video? Well, here they are. And guess what I'm gonna do? Not only is this a car wash, but it's a carrot wash too. So let's clean this car. Truck, really, truck. Uh-oh. Do you hear that? That's my phone. Oh, I have to take this.